We're in Ronda, North Carolina. We have a broiler operation, chicken farm, and we also do row crops, corn, soybeans, and small grain.
We use our BBI Endurance spreader for spreading our poultry litter across our fields for fertilize.
All poultry litter goes through it very well, whether it's be the cake litter or you're doing full house cleanouts where there's more fines. Either way, it does a fantastic job.
We're getting a nice even coverage across the field, and like in our corn crop, we don't see ups and downs in the flow of the crop. It's all nice and level and pretty across the top. Having the cutoff switch in the cab where you can cut the chain off, you just press a button and cut it off when you get to your headlands where it's already been spread at, and then when you get back in line, press that button and the chain starts moving again and you're back in business. Then you're able to actually make that litter go farther. You know you're putting out whatever amount you want per acre, and you're not under applying or over applying. We look at our land as our dad always told us, if you take care of the land will take care of you.
If you look at just what that crop needs to carry it through and look at it as per crop deal, then you're taking care of the land, you're being a very good steward to it, and you're keeping something growing on it.
As far as working on it, maintenance is easy. Love all the grease fittings. You can grease it. Simplicity, keep stuff free, moving and going. Adjusting chains is simple. We've been running it twice a year for 8 years now, and as long as we keep the chain adjusted properly, we've not had a minute's trouble out of it. It's just all around has been a real good machine for us. Wouldn't trade it for nothing.